you're trying to watch a YouTube video and you get this error which says an error occurred, please try again later, and then it shows a playback ID here. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now this is a very common issue to users who use Brave browser. A lot of people have reported that when they use Brave browser to watch YouTube videos, they get this error message as you see it here. Now you can try these steps. First, try to refresh this page. So you can click this spinning cycle here, or just make sure to select the URL and then click enter to refresh the YouTube video that you're trying to watch. Now if refreshing doesn't fix your issue, now try this. Try to turn off shields. Now how do you turn off shields? Just go to your Brave browser if you're using Brave, and then go to youtube.com. Now click this Brave icon here that you see, and then make sure to turn off shields. So make sure to just tag off. Once you tag off, then the page will try to refresh. After you try to refreshes, then try to watch the YouTube video and then try to check if the issue has been fixed. If you're still facing the same issue despite turning off shields, now try using a different browser. So since many people have reported that when they try to use Brave browser, they face this issue, you can try to use a different browser. Now there are lots of browsers like Chrome or Microsoft Edge, so you can try to use a different browser and then just go to youtube.com, then try to watch a YouTube video on a different browser, and hopefully this should just fix the problem. So in most cases the issue is just a Brave browser. Try a different browser should help you fix this error which says an error card, please try again later. Let me know in the comment section if you also face the exact same issue. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.